and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. Check out this. Wasn't that a shame for that poor GTO? Oh man, look at that engine. But anybody that knows anything, it's steel. It can be fixed. 1968 GTO. Woo! Pontiac. Look at that engine now. And there's still some rust on it, but you know, you don't clean it all up. Come on. Woo! Don't sit in that leather. But look at that beautiful upholstery. Beautiful rug. Whoops, there's something modern out of place. But hey, if I had something like this, I'd probably put a boot on every wheel. Whoa. Did somebody put a tiger in the trunk? They were roomy trunks. Look at that. Beautiful. Sniff, but do not scratch. Please do not touch. Now that's a unique way to say, keep your mitts off of the beautiful paint job. But no, seriously, when you go to car shows and that, do respect the cars. Do respect the owners. They've taken and put a lot of work into these cars, as you can see. And until next time, like and subscribe. Willis out.